I was set this workbench, ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. I just put it together. It's a very solid workbench. This is not a flimsy device at all. It's all made out of steel, so everything, the bracing, all the drawer, everything all steel, and then a very solid top that's very heavy. So when this box comes, you're gonna need 2 people to lift the box up that it comes shipped in. It comes shipped in a flat box, about a little bit wider than the top. So picture this top and then about this thick, about 6 inches thick, and that's the box it comes in, because it not only comes with the workbench, but also comes with another shelf, and you get the 2 brackets to put on the wall. So in my case, it's going to be more in the center of this garage than up against a wall, so I'll use this shelf somewhere else. But they give you all the mounting hardware and everything you need to put it together. It took me about 30 minutes. There's quite a few screws because it's definitely all held together, super solid. Now, these legs are adjustable. You can make this higher or lower. Right now I'm at the highest portion there, but also the bottoms here where the legs are for balancing, you can actually lift it up a couple more inches higher by threading this up as well. So really cool workbench. It's got a power strip right here, so I'll be running some electrical here to be able to use this right here on the side, so you can put your power tools. You've got some holes here for hanging hooks, so if you're going to hang some tools on the side, you can do that. And I really like the drawer. It's got ball bearings, all steel drawer, really nice. It's got a lot of space in here. It's looking at about, I think it's about 3 inches tall here. Let's check that, about 3 1/4 inches tall. So you can fit some pliers in there, some things that might be a little bit taller. Your sockets could stand up in there. Really nice movement. So even if this drawer is heavily filled with tools, it's still going to roll really nice like that and lock into place. I'm really pleased with this workbench. It's 4 feet wide and about 24 inches deep. It's very, very, very solid, very steady. I'm going to be able to do a lot of jobs on this, and the bench will be nice and stout for those purposes. I like the fact that it has this bracing this way underneath here, because what I'm going to do is probably put some angle iron going across and put me another shelf right here, just to give me some more space underneath it. So if you had a chair and you wanted to do some project work here, make it like a desk, you could do that as well, because you got all that space underneath. Lots you can do with this workbench. Really well made. Highly recommend it. Hey, I hope that video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.